Hi, this is Corey Tripp from Medina Basketball, and you're watching Ohio Sports Net.
Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen,
oh man, they are so tough, and they just don't go away. You know, they cut it, I think, the three there in the third or fourth quarter. It's all kind of a blur right now, but yeah, they just keep grinding and grinding. The kids play hard, and Corey and I were walking off the floor at the end. I said those are some of the toughest kids we played against this year.
And having a player like Corey to rely on too, especially for the exclamation point in the end.
Who are you talking about?
Exactly.
Oh, Corey, yeah, he's not bad too. He's unbelievable. I mean, the way he can push the tempo in a game, and they put three guys on him at times in transition. He splits and dices, and he's a pretty phenomenal player. we expect that out of him. He's one of the best players in Ohio. So when you play with one of those guys on your team, and he makes everybody else better. I think I was most impressed with is how he got people involved early. You know, Brandon got a couple threes tonight that were huge, and we knew he had to hit some threes. And we haven't played many road games this year. So for us to come out and shoot that well, we were really proud of the kids.
How about the crowd too? Didn't you feel?
Oh man, I feel so bad for the kids because I'm telling you, with Corey, Brandon, and Christian, our gym would have been packed this year. It would have been packed. We'd had this game would have been sold out. We would have only get a ticket.
We know that teams are going to slow it down in the tournament. I mean, everybody wants to win, so everyone's going to have their best game plans. And it's just if you can beat them or not. I just want to do anything that got our team to win, and if they need me to take over a game, I'm willing to do that. And thanks for my teammates for believing in me and trusting me.
How'd that exclamation dunk feel?
It felt great. It felt great knowing that we're going to the Elite Eight and we can play one of the two of the best teams in the state and compete with them in the Elite Eight. It feels great knowing only 3 Medina teams have ever been to the Elite Eight, and that now that we're one of them, it feels really good. I mean, we're excited. We worked really hard to be at this position that we're in.
How normal did it feel with fans out here tonight?
It felt great. I mean, we haven't had this many fans in a while. They bring a lot of energy, as you can see. I mean, it just energized all our guys.